Hello, hi. Market is now going up. Okay. Okay. So now what we do is that do some calls today also live because what I thought that last day. So what I'll okay. Today Nifty is kind of up. Nifty is trading at 21,300 has been captured, and so is Sensex 70,000. One cross kar gaya tha in the morning. So every day it is like, it gives a energy kind of a thing to do this live and all that, and also to keep watching and strategizing for the market. What is happening is that now most of the people have realized that in such a market and all that, you have to be focused on good stocks, and that is for the good, and b, large caps now coming back in action. If you look at the IT stocks especially, then you might be understanding what I'm saying. They are now doing well. Infosys is now doing well. Wipro is doing well. So what people are now waiting, they already had good orders. So probably with the the US market recovering, it is softening a little bit. So because of that, now these stocks will now do well. There's an expectation that these stocks will do well. So Infi is now above 1500. And even Wipro is now gaining. Wipro is considered to be valuation wise good, but other stocks are also like HCL Tech was already flying. Okay, it has really been doing well, but now even these stocks are in the reckoning. And TCS is, as I said, a stock for all weathers. If you had it, I hope you did not sell it. It actually did well, even in this falling market for IT. Falling market for IT. Okay, so today other markets are also in green. It's not only we are doing well, other markets are also doing well. Asian markets open in green today. Nikkei Japanese wala was also up 350 points in the early trade, and South Korean index was also up 1%. Okay, Taiwan markets were also in the green. Okay, if I look at the institutional activities, FIIs are now pouring money more than DIIs now. So DIIs have taken a backseat. It seems like they work in tandem now. So 3,570, these are figure for yesterday, 3,570 crore rupees they invested, and DIIs kind of also invested yesterday around 500 odd crore rupees. Okay, so I'll give you some calls by IIFL and also by HDFC like I do every day. Also, thoda aaj I'll try to give you some indexes calls, because what happens in such a market is that difficult to trade the index, because we know that it's bullish, but suddenly that fall comes and all that, some news comes or whatever, or there's just a correction in the market, सबसे पहला वो index ही गिरता है. Okay, so I'll give you some calls. This live would be a little shorter than the lives, two lives earlier. Okay, today the market opening was very strong. Sensex opened at 70,797. I think that is irrelevant now. 71 भी हम cross कर गए थे. I also have some new targets for some of the stocks. Actually, if you are looking to buy this one particular stock, I had a query on Indus Towers. So उसका नया target आया है 215. Okay, so if that person is watching the live, or if that person would be watching the live later on, they can listen to this. Okay, so you can probably go for buying it. Okay, use your discretion before buying, and please open your account with IIFL Securities or HDFC Securities. The links are below in the description box. I have to increase my clients. Okay, so I would be also collaborating with some other brands for some advertorial kind of thing that I would inform you. Okay, so today's calls I would give you. IIFL call पहले ले लेते हैं. This is a stock call. Okay, GNFC 740 in the range of 740 to 747 with a target of 780 in 7 days. Stop loss is 730. Okay, then we have Deepak Nitrite. Okay, these chemical stocks are now back. These China dumping is now coming down. So now we have these chemical stocks again doing well, and the top names we know who they are. अच्छा, आरती इंडस्ट्रीज का भी नया टारगेट आया है, वो भी है, and SRF is also now. I spoke about SRF I think a couple of days back. So these stocks are back in the reckoning. So this is a call for Deepak Nitrite in the range of 2350 to 2368 with a target of 2425 in 5 days. You can keep the stop loss at 2310. Okay, these are IIFL calls. Okay, then you can okay, I have this index call, but I have to see if the target has been met. Yeah, target has been met. Okay, now you can buy Tata Steel in the range of 133 to 135 with a target of 142 in 7 days. Now steel stocks are also doing well. Actually, many of the metal stocks are now doing well. Even copper is doing well. Gold, I told you, is doing well. Gold is so commodities में आ जाता है. So now these stocks are doing well. Also, this some study was saying that these the steel demand in the country is up around 19%. You know, there's so much of construction happening, capex happening, and all that. So steel is also a part of it. Okay, so Tata Steel in the range of 133 to 135 with a target of 142 in 7 days. Stop loss 129. You can buy JM Financial in the price range of 92 to 94 with a target of 98 in 5 days. Stop loss 90. Okay, now if we look at some of the one more future idea, this is buy JSW Steel. This is future. Okay, time period is 1 to 14 days. JSW Steel December future in the price range of 850 to 855. Stop loss 834.5, target 872. Yeah. Okay, now there is this derivative strategy for 1 month. You can buy Petronet December future at 213 to 214. Stop loss 209.2, target 218. Okay, so you are now looking at 48,000 for Bank Nifty. आजकल तो it feels nice to look at the the indexes and the charts and all that. Okay, I'll give you some HDFC Securities calls. Most of the bank stocks are now doing well, and actually you might feel left out. The sudden rally catches you off guard. You feel left out. Oh, I was thinking of this stock and I didn't buy, and now this has just raised up. What to do? So what you can do is that you can look at the fundamentals A, and B, look for the target prices. So if they are much beyond, then probably you can buy that stock. But definitely the company should be strong. The company's fundamentals should be very good. It should be a high conviction stock. Basically, technicals and fundamentals both should point at further growth. Like for example, Dixon abhi hai. Its new target, I think I told you earlier also, is 7,700 to 8,000. So even though it is expensive, and the order book is good, and they have got new this Lenovo order. Also, they are now increasing their capacity. So that is a kind of stock where you can still think of buying. Okay, so we have these HDFC. Okay, so you can buy Bandhan Bank. New target is around 255. Wait, I'll just look at this Bandhan Bank stock. 253 पे है अभी, so probably you can think of buying this. Target was 255. Oh, so it is almost around it. This call was given at 10:47, so it is already 4% up है ये, so it almost reached its target. Okay, so you can probably look at a target of now around 260. Okay, then there is this Minda Corporation. Okay, this also has a new it's bullish, and the support is around 350. I'll just look at this Minda, because you know the news is just flowing in. 378 पे है अभी, so support is 350 and the new target is around 385. Okay, 385 is the new target for Minda Corporation. Then you can look at TCS. Okay, TCS का नया target है 3800. Okay, then now this is a technical pick. You can buy Electra at 1299. Stop loss can be at 1240. Target 1370. So you can also buy it in the range of 1299 to even 1300. The target is around 1370. Okay, then we have VRL Logistics. Okay, this is also a technical pick. For 752 से 731 के प्राइस रेंज का, 731 से 752 के प्राइस रेंज में स्टॉप लॉस 718, टारगेट 805. Okay, we have other targets also by other brokerages. So Chola Finance has a new target of 1265. Is it? Chola देखें. Hmm. 1265, it is going towards it. And then you have AU Small Finance Bank, new target is 795. Then you have Indus Tower, I already told. KPIT का भी नया target है 1550. Then Mankind Pharma also has a new target of 1950, in the range of 1950 to 1975. So if you are already holding these stocks and if you're thinking, okay, where is it going now in this bullish market? Are they further going up? So these can be kind of guide for you, that you know why, yes, there is some target and there is some good news about the stock, or technically the charts are showing that these stocks are doing well. SBI also has a new target of 700. SBI has actually increased its lending rates. Okay, around 5 to 10 BPS कुछ उन्होंने बढ़ाया है. Deposit rate नहीं बढ़ाया है, but these rates, and especially I think in house loans, they think it will not impact the loans and all that, but they have, and that is why the stock is doing well. Otherwise also the stock was doing well. BEL also has a new target of 205. Airtel has a new target of 1015. Now thankfully it is above that 1000 mark. Amber Enterprises also has a new target of 4075. Okay, Zomato also has a new target of 130. Okay, their EBITDA is up, their profits are up, but the company is now doing a little, is now gradually going towards that stability. So probably you can think of buying this stock. So foreign money is now coming in, and we'll see this new year. New year is approaching. 15 days to go. So foreign money is coming, and in this, if you're looking for some guidance, then probably IT banks will continue to do well, infra stocks will do well, and large caps are likely to do well. Now the action is also, I'm not saying shifting, because mid become reasonable, the valuations are now reasonable. Okay, so that way, Pidilite, Asian Paints, Astral Police, that is not a large cap. I said mix of large cap and mid cap. Astral, Polycap, then you have this Sera Sanitaryware. These stocks can do well. रेनबो वाला हॉस्पिटल वाला स्टॉक भी अच्छा कर सकता है, DRL and Metropolis. So these are some of good stocks which you can think of adding in your portfolio. And as I said, please clean up your portfolio if certain stocks have not been doing well and you're still holding them. Okay, so this is live for today. I'll finish this live because I have to actually go somewhere and meet someone. प्रेस्टीज एस्टेट के ऊपर नोट्स बनाए थे मैंने. दिस स्टॉक हैज़ रियली डन वेरी वेल. इट हैज़ बीन अ टॉप परफॉर्मर in 145% the stock is up. They have a huge inventory. Actually, they now have more demand than supply. They're not having this enough supply. So they are now also launching new products in new projects in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Bangalore is a top performer for them, and also other Pune. So they're launching new projects there, and also their middle income housing is now picking up. So this work from home culture and this having one extra room in the house is still playing out. People want that extra house and extra room in their house. So because of that, that segment is also now picking up. Earlier luxury segment was doing well, but now even this segment is doing well. And this cycle, as I said earlier, also is likely to continue for some more time. There has been an amendment in the SEZ rules. Now that management is pretty positive about. That is likely to benefit them in commercial property. Okay. So now this is so real estate stocks are also doing well. If you were looking at अगर आपने प्रेस्टीज पहले ही खरीद लिया, then of course you are in profits. If you're thinking of buying it now, the stock is currently I think around 1100 something. Wow, 1129, 3% down है आज. Okay, so probably you can wait. Now this is a dip. You can wait for further dip. Actually, I'm not sure about it. It will dip further or not, but keep an eye on it. Okay, otherwise the other stocks which have done well in the real estate thing are DLF and Oberoi Realty. So these stocks have really done very well, just like a hockey stick kind of a chart Prestige Estates has. Okay, so I'll see you on Monday, and have a great weekend. And I hope that we soon see that 75,000 on Sensex in the new year. And this year I'm pretty happy. We are on a Sensex is up 71 हो गया, touch हो गया. Then Nifty is 21,300 हो गया, 21,500 हो जाए तो मज़ा ही आ जाए. And even the mid cap index is up. So if you look at your profile portfolio, and if you've been following my videos, I think whatever I spoke about, they are all doing well, touch wood. Actually, barring one or two IT stocks, which are now also likely to pick up, most of the stocks are doing well. I'm so glad. Whatever I spoke in this entire year, made videos on, most of the stocks are really doing very well. Touch wood. Okay, so I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. And let's keep making new highs and keep believing in the India story. And I should now change it to something else. I think about it. And please open your Demat account. And please open your Demat account with me also. So bye-bye. Take care.